Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. This is my first video and it's about my favorite topic, that is creative gift wrapping ideas. So stay tuned and check out the 5 creative ways to use brown paper. And before we begin, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. First to come up is the beer wrapping. This wrapping will take you hardly 10 minutes. Let's get started. Things required: the gift box, plain brown wrapping paper, a black sheet for the cutout of eyes, some more brown paper for the detailing, mark it as shown in the video. Take a light colored sheet for the face, pink sheet for the cheeks, a pencil, pair of scissors, a black marker, glue. Simply wrap it with the brown paper. Get the cutouts as shown. Watch ahead to see how the parts are being pasted. Fold it from the middle for the ears. These are 2 small semicircles. There are total 11 separate parts including the eyes. Paste the remaining parts of the bear. After you are done pasting the parts, it's time for some detailing. Mark the features with a pencil and then with a permanent marker. Here comes the cutest gift packing. I'm sure your little one's gonna love it. Watch till the end for more such creative ideas. Yes, you guessed it right, we are making a school bag. It's a backpack in a backpack. Things required: brown paper, red chart, paper ribbon, double tape, glue, black marker, pencil, scale, pair of scissors, black chart. Spread the brown sheet and measure the size of your gift. Once it's done, take out your gift and start pasting. Cut the extra portion of the sheet. Close one opening from the bottom. See carefully and follow the procedure. Now fold the lateral sides as shown. Be a little patient with this part. Once you get the crease, fold it inwards as shown. For now, the brown paper bag is ready. Cut the red sheet in exact size of the brown paper bag. Should easily fit inside the bag. This to make the flap of the bag. Now before you stick the flap, take the paper ribbon and make the slings of the backpack along with the holder. I have used a double tape for sticking the sling. Apply the glue generously. Insert on the back side of the brown paper bag. Make sure it's a firm pasting. Now it's time to paste the remaining parts of the sling. Flip over the bag on the front side. Cut the sides as shown. It's almost ready. You can put inside your gift in the backpack. I've made a front pocket with a black chart paper and some black ribbon on the flap. I'm sticking the flap with the double tape. Backpack packing is ready. A little tip for you all. Use a hard paper instead of a brown paper for a firm packing. Do try this out and share your own versions of backpack packing. Now let's create something for our car lovers. Material required: box wrapped in brown paper, thin strip of black sheet, white pen, 2 toy cars, a glue and a pair of scissors. Wrap your gift in the brown paper and put the black sheet over it. Do the detailing with the white pen and it's done. Now stick the toy cars with a strong glue or a glue gun. And our car packing is done. Super quick, isn't it? Do share and subscribe for more such creative stuff. Let's learn how to make this toy train. First, take an empty shoebox, the size which can contain your gift, and wrap it with a brown sheet. Take an old delivery package, wrap it with a sheet of your choice. Take one discarded tissue roll and wrap it with the same paper. Draw circles on a black sheet for the wheels. Add some sparkle to it, and they are ready. A little hack for the engine. Use glue gun for pasting. Assemble all the parts. Here comes the train packing. You can add further detailing as per your choice. Here comes the flower bouquet packing. It is simple and suitable for all occasions. For this you need brown paper, piece of red paper, artificial grass and flowers, a pair of scissors, a strong glue or glue gun, thread or yarn. Wrap your gift box with the brown paper. Draw a pie on a red sheet and make a cutout of it. Turn it as shown to make a cone. Use adhesive and it will come out like this. Let us start with the base. Use the thread or yarn and rotate it 4 to 5 times as shown in the video. Now stick the cone on top of it. Insert the artificial grass into the cone and stick the flowers on the top. You can even use glue gun for sticking. Our bouquet gift wrap is ready. Hope you liked all the brown paper ideas. Do let me know in the comment section below about your favorite pick.